How to enable full screen on Ubuntu in VMware, fix auto resize screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hanin Dia Tech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable full screen mode on Ubuntu running inside VMware. If your Ubuntu virtual machine does not automatically resize when you maximize the VMware window, don't worry. This is a very common issue, especially after installing Ubuntu for the first time. By the end of this tutorial, your Ubuntu desktop will automatically adjust to the size of the VMware window, allowing you to enjoy a true full-screen experience. So, let's get started. Step 1. Check the current display. As you can see, my Ubuntu virtual machine is not using the entire screen. There are large black borders around the desktop, and even when I maximize the VMware window, Ubuntu stays at the same resolution. This makes the desktop smaller and less comfortable to use. To fix this problem, we need to install VMware Tools. On modern Ubuntu versions, the recommended package is OpenVM Tools, which is officially supported by Ubuntu. Let's install it. First, log into your Ubuntu desktop. Step 2. Open the terminal. Now open the terminal. You can press Ctrl+Alt+T, or click Show Applications, search for Terminal, and open it. We will install the required packages using the terminal. Step 3. Enable the Universe repository. First, type the following command: sudo add-apt-repository universe. Press Enter. Ubuntu will ask for your password. Type your sudo password. Remember, when typing your password in Linux, nothing appears on the screen. This is completely normal. After entering your password, press Enter again. If Ubuntu asks whether you want to continue, simply press Enter. This command enables the Universe repository, which contains many useful software packages. If the repository is already enabled, Ubuntu will simply tell you that nothing needs to be changed. Step 4. Update the package list. Next, update the package information by running sudo apt-update. Press Enter. Ubuntu will download the latest package information from its repositories. This ensures that we install the newest available version of the software. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Please wait until the update finishes. Step 5. Install OpenVM Tools. Now install the first package. Type sudo apt-get install OpenVM Tools. Press Enter. If Ubuntu asks whether you want to continue, type Y and then press Enter. The installation process will begin. This package contains the core VMware integration tools that improve communication between Ubuntu and VMware. Please wait until the installation is complete. Step 6. Clear the terminal, optional. To make the terminal cleaner, type clear. Press Enter. This step is optional, but it makes the terminal easier to read. Step 7. Install the desktop package. Next, install the desktop integration package. Type sudo apt-get install OpenVM Tools desktop. Press Enter. If prompted, type Y and press Enter. This package enables important desktop features, including automatic screen resizing, full-screen support, better mouse integration, copy and paste between the host and guest, drag and drop support, depending on your VMware version. Wait until the installation finishes successfully. Step 8. Restart Ubuntu. After the installation is complete, we need to restart Ubuntu. Type reboot. Press Enter. Your virtual machine will restart. Please wait until Ubuntu finishes booting. Then log back into your desktop. Step 9. Verify full-screen mode. Now let's check the result. As you can see, my Ubuntu desktop now automatically resizes to match the VMware window. When I maximize the VMware window, the Ubuntu desktop also becomes full screen automatically. The black borders have disappeared. Everything looks much larger, sharper, and easier to use. Now we have a much better working environment for programming, system administration, or everyday Linux tasks. Troubleshooting. If full screen still doesn't work after installing the packages, here are a few things you can try. First, make sure you have restarted Ubuntu after the installation. Second, verify that both OpenVM Tools and OpenVM Tools Desktop are installed correctly. You can also make sure that VMware's AutoFit Guest and AutoFit Window options are enabled. If you're using an older version of VMware, updating to the latest version may also solve the problem. In most cases, installing these packages and rebooting Ubuntu is enough to fix the issue. Conclusion. And that's it. Today we've learned how to fix the full screen problem in Ubuntu running on VMware by installing OpenVM Tools and OpenVM Tools Desktop. This method works on most modern Ubuntu releases and only takes a few minutes to complete. I hope this tutorial helps you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hanin Diatech Tutorial for more Linux, VMware, Docker, AI, programming, and server administration tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.